a small valley. He saw a big field with red carrots. He wanted to have them. He went to the farmer and asked him for a few carrots. The farmer said, "If I will give you carrots, what will you give me?" Bunny sat under a tree and thought over it. He got an idea. He asked his friend to help him. Honeybee brought some honey. The tree gave fruits. The cow gave milk. And the hen laid egg. Bunny presented all these things to the farmer. The farmer allowed Bunny to have as many carrots as he wanted. All were happy and all is well.
Now, so children, you have listened to a lovely story. I have given two cards in your table. On your table, one is marked with green and one with pink. You have enjoyed the story, you will raise the card with pink. And if you have not liked the story, not followed the story, raise with pink. First one with green. If you have liked the story, raise the green. If you did not follow it, raise the pink card. Okay, there is one. Oh, you like the story. And here, I get two. You need my help, okay? Okay, you like the story. And anyone else who need the help? Okay, so maybe you could not follow when we narrated the story in English. Now can we narrate it in Hindi once more?
ठीक है बच्चों, इसी कहानी को मैं आपको हिंदी में समझाता हूँ। बन्नी नाम का एक छोटा सा खरगोश था। उसने एक बड़े से खेत में लाल लाल गाजर देखा। वह उसको खाना चाहता था। उसके मुंह में पानी आ गया था। वह किसान के पास गया और